Hi everyone, in this session we will discuss question number 10 of miscellaneous exercise application of derivatives. The sum of the perimeter of a circle and square is k, where k is some constant. Prove that the sum of their areas is least when the side of the square is double the radius of the circle. So here we have a circle and a square. Let r be the radius of the circle and say x be the length of the side of the square, and it is given the sum of the perimeter of the circle and square is constant k. So given perimeter of the sum of the circle and square is k. So since we assumed r to be the radius of the circle, the circumference of circle is 2 pi r plus perimeter of the square is 4x, and that is given to be constant k. Let us assume that A is the sum of the area of the circle and square. Let A be the area of the sum of the areas of circle and square. Now what we have to prove is when the area A is minimum, we have to prove that the side of the square is double the radius of the circle. Okay. So when A is minimum, we have to prove that the side of the square, so the side of the square means x, is double the radius of the circle. So we have to prove that when A is minimum, x is equal to 2r. That is what we have to prove. Okay. So let us find out how to minimize A. So we know that area is sum of the areas of circle and square. So A equal to area of circle plus area of square. Let us find out what is this. We know that area of circle is pi r square plus area of square will be x square. Now this becomes the function which is to be maximized or minimized. In this problem it has to be minimized because we want the least area. Now the first step in this is to express A in terms of one variable. Here we have two variables r and x. So let us see how to write the relation. So A is equal to pi r square plus x square. So we write in terms of one variable. So we are given a condition 2 pi r plus 4x equal to k. So from this we are going to get what is x. X can be written as k minus 2 pi r divided by 4. So I use this relation and I write this as A equal to pi r square plus, in place of x square I write k minus 2 pi r by 4 whole square. So I got A is equal to pi r square plus k minus 2 pi r whole square divided by 16. Now we got A in terms of one variable. So after we obtain A in terms of one variable, now we are going to differentiate with respect to the single variable. So let us find dA by dr. So dA by dr will be pi into derivative of r square is 2r plus 1 by 16 times derivative of k minus 2 pi r whole square will be 2 into k minus 2 pi r into derivative of k minus 2 pi r will be derivative of k 0 minus 2 pi into derivative of r is 1. So we get 2 pi into 1. So this on simplification we get 2 pi r plus 1 by 16 into minus 2 pi into 2 is minus 4 pi into k minus 2 pi r. So let us simplify this. So 4 goes 4 times. So we get this as 2 pi r plus 1 by 4 into minus will be negative pi by 4 into k minus 2 pi r. So after we found dA by dr. Now we have to find the critical points. For critical points, dA by dr should be equal to 0. dA by dr is equal to 0, which implies 2 pi r minus pi by 4 into k minus 2 pi r equal to 0. So let us simplify this and we find the critical value. So we get this as 2 pi r equal to pi into k minus 2 pi r divided by 4. So we can cancel out pi and pi and we get 8 r equal to k minus 2 pi r. So we bring all the terms containing r to one side. So you get 8r plus 2 pi r equal to k. So from this we get r as r is equal to, so I take r common, I get 8 plus 2 pi is equal to k, or I take r is equal to k divided by 8 plus 2 pi, r equal to k divided by 8 plus 2 pi. Now this becomes the critical point. This is the critical point. R equal to k by 8 plus 2 pi is the critical point. Now this critical point may correspond to either point of local maxima or local minima. So for that we have to find the second order derivative. So let us find d square a by dr square, that is d by dr of dA by dr, which is equal to d by dr of, let us find what is dA by dr. dA by dr is 2 pi r minus pi by 4 into k minus 2r, pi by 4 into k minus 2 pi r. So let us find the derivative of this. This is equal to 2 pi minus pi by 4 into derivative of k is 0 minus 2 pi into 1. So we get this as 2 pi, minus into minus plus, 2 pi into pi is pi square and 2 gets cancelled with this, so pi square by 2. So d square a by dr square at x equal to, at r equal to k by 8 plus 2 pi, 8 plus 2 pi is equal to 2 pi plus pi square by 2, which is positive, Therefore r equal to k divided by 8 plus 2 pi is a point of local minima, So which means that at r equal to k by 8 plus 2 pi, a is minimum. Now when a is minimum, okay, so r equal to k by 8 plus 2 pi. So let us find out what is x from this. So x is equal to, the relation between x and r is already given, x is equal to k minus 2 pi r by 4, x equal to k minus 2 pi r by 4. So we already got the relation between x and r, x equal to k minus 2 pi r by 4. So let us use that, x equal to k minus 2 pi r divided by 4. So this is equal to k minus 2 pi into, in place of r I plug in k by 8 plus 2 pi divided by 4, and we get this as k into k minus 2 pi k by, I can take 2 common, I get 4 plus pi divided by 4, so that I can cancel out this 2 and 2. Now we can write it as k into 4 plus pi minus k pi divided by 4 into pi plus 4, which is equal to 4k plus k pi minus k pi divided by 4 into pi plus 4. So k pi gets cancelled and we get this as 4k by 4 into pi plus 4. So 4 gets cancelled, we got k by pi plus 4, and we got r is equal to k by 8 plus 2 pi, so which is same as k by 2 into 4 plus pi. So let's try to find out the ratio of x and r. So here you got r equal to k by 2 into 4 plus pi, and you got x is equal to k by 4 plus pi. So from 1 and 2, so this is 2 and this is 1. So let's find the ratio of r by x. R by x is equal to k by k divided by 2 into 4 plus pi divided by x. X is k by pi plus 4, So k and k gets cancelled, pi plus 4 gets cancelled, we got 1 by 2, or we can write this as x is equal to 2r. So which is the desired expected thing to be proved. So prove that the sum of their areas is least when the side of the square is double the radius of the circle. So when the area is minimum, we have to prove that the side of the square is double the radius. So we could prove that x is equal to 2r. We proved that x is equal to 2r when the area is minimum. So we could prove that x equal to 2r when the area is minimum. So this is how we have to solve the problem. So initially what we did is we found out what is A. A is the sum of the area of circle plus area of square. Then we wrote A as pi r square plus x square, and since it is in terms of two variables, we expressed x in terms of r by using the relation that the perimeter of the sum of circle and square is equal to k. So here if you add up the perimeters, the sum of the perimeters of square and circle, it is k. So we can write the sum of the perimeters of square and circle is k. Sum of the perimeter of circle and square equal to k. So we wrote the perimeter of circle, that is circumference of circle, and that of the square is 4x, and circumference is 2 pi r plus 4x equal to k, or we got x is equal to k minus 2 pi r by 4, and then a equal to area of the circle plus area of the square. So we wrote pi r square plus x square, and we found that a is in terms of two variables. So the next step is to express it in terms of one variable. So after we express it in terms of one variable using the relation x equal to k minus 2 pi r by 4, and then we found dA by dr, and on equating to 0 we got the critical point, and the critical point is r equal to k by 8 plus 2 pi. Then we have to check whether this critical point is a point of local maxima or minima. For that we found the second order derivative, and we found that value to be positive, which means r equal to k by 8 plus 2 pi is a point of local minima. So when a is minimum, we found out what is the value of x when r equal to k by 8 plus 2 pi, and we found the value to be equal to k by pi plus 4. Now let us find the ratio of r by x, and we got r by x equal to 1 by 2 or x is equal to 2r. I hope all of you understood. Thank you.